Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Fusion front bumper. First, ensure your vehicle is safely lifted and supported. Then, remove the front wheels to gain better access to the bumper's attachment points. Carefully locate and remove all the visible screws, clips, and bolts holding the bumper in place, paying close attention to the top edge and sides. Next, move to the underside of the vehicle. You'll need to detach the fasteners securing the splash shield to the bumper. Then, inside each wheel well, remove the screws and clips that connect the bumper to the fender liner. Once these are out, gently pull back the fender liners to expose more hidden attachment points. Now focus on the top section. Carefully unclip the grille from the bumper if it's integrated. Disconnect any electrical connectors for fog lights, parking sensors, or other components attached to the bumper. Double-check that all clips and screws along the top edge near the headlights are completely released. With all fasteners removed, gently pull the bumper straight forward from the vehicle. It should slide off with a little effort. Be ready to support its weight and have a soft, clean surface, like a blanket, ready to place it on to prevent scratches. Always double-check for any overlooked clips or wires before fully detaching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.